Don't bite me.
Then give me my phone. Oh, my boyfriend.
Stop kicking.
Yeah, then why have I not had any rights?
You have rights.
Then why have you not given them to me?
On the 22nd of July 2025, airport police officers in the United States responded to a disturbance at a Southwest Airlines gate. A female passenger had been lying on the terminal floor, refused repeated compliance requests from airline staff, and displayed observable signs of intoxication. The encounter escalated to a physical confrontation, resulting in 4 criminal charges.
Ready, ma'am. Hey, how you doing?
So I was,
Okay. So, yeah, what's happening?
No, yeah. I will tell you before they do.
Yep, that's what I'm talking to you for.
I've been delayed for however many hours. I'm late here. Look.
I see.
What? I'll show you.
No, you don't need to demonstrate, ma'am. Ma'am, why don't you get up for me? All right, ma'am, can you stand up?
No. I know I can get up, but I'm going to show you.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah. What I'm doing here is 2 passports to 2 countries.
Okay.
Because I have traveled.
Okay. So where are you flying to?
I'm going to Tampa. To hang out with my 4-month-old granddaughter. I'm not all that old.
It's all right. We just need to know which one. That's fine.
So here's my New Zealand passport. Here's my Canadian passport.
Okay.
Here's my New Zealand driver license. I've traveled over 100 billion traveling times. And laid on the floor.
Okay.
I get that it's a public risk, but look, my flight is not to arrive until
Okay.
8:38 in the afternoon.
Okay,
That
so,
is not supposed to arrive until
ma'am.
8:08 or 9:36. So sorry, I can't just hang out on the floor.
No, unfortunately, you
Because
can't just.
all of the other things.
No, you can sit down in the
So
seat.
every single time I've been to the airport, several times before, where I've laid on the floor, it's never been a problem.
Okay, right. So you're
But
laying in the
until
middle
now.
of the floor right here, right now, in front of everyone. So
This is the middle. This is the middle.
But don't you see that there's a gate right there, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
That's the middle.
Can I ask you once? All right.
No.
Let's calm down.
That is the
All
middle.
right, ma'am. Don't you think that gate right there in the middle, people can trip over you?
And so you don't know how to walk around me?
Yeah, but what happens
So are
if
you
you're not
telling
paying
me everyone's...
attention?
No, sorry. Is that what you're saying? Because people can't watch me walk around them? So I can lay right here, like this. First time ever.
What's going on?
Denied boarding, the more her behavior continues, the more I don't even want to rebook her. I was going to rebook her tomorrow, but she won't even give us a name. So at this point, what do you think? Just cancel it? Yeah.
Waiting for my flight. It's been delayed for 3 hours.
Well, I can smell a little bit of alcohol on you.
It
How much
doesn't
of
matter
that
if
is
you
there?
smell. I have gotten gastric sleep. I can't legally. I can't get drunk.
Well, where were you
Right
drinking
here.
at? Just hanging out. We're just hanging out
Right over
talking.
there.
3 casts?
1 drink.
1 drink? Did you have
So you
anything to
can-
drink before you came?
No, 1 drink.
Okay.
So the funny thing is I am literally more self-aware than you are. No matter how many drugs I am. Okay, let's have
Are
a
you on any
conversation.
other drugs?
No.
Well, you know, I don't know if you're just upset because of the flight.
No, I'm just upset with the fact that I'm enjoying myself. There have been several times flying out of this country, which I do not want to be in because I'm a Canadian.
Are you Canadian?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Italian.
And I'm great. So you don't want to be here?
No, I
You're
like
just
it here. I like
be
it
here
here.
because you have to be here.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
She wasn't
but
on boarding?
anyways,
Okay.
it's even
So-
look right here.
Physical and mental health. Oh, good. So you study that stuff.
Yeah, I literally am smarter than every person here.
Okay, so look.
Laying here.
I got it. So let me
It's, I
explain
get
something to
it's a
you.
safety risk. If there are people here,
It's not
no.
even that. Listen. So, because they are a private business and they can deny anybody boarding, so they actually, they actually
Yeah, but the
denied
thing
you
is
boarding.
they came to me. If I lay you here, watch. You want to watch me? Watch. You see? Watch. Let me try to and then that one comes up to me. You're not allowed to sit here.
Well, look,
This, I have literally.
let's put your stuff together.
No, look at this. Look,
I understand.
Look. I've literally flown to Thailand. I've flown to everywhere else in the goddamn world, and I've never been in trouble.
So-
like this.
So just a little update. Right? Your flight's been canceled due to the way you've been acting.
I don't care if it has.
Okay, so...
Because they are going to reimburse me, and I don't care.
Okay, yep, we can get that figured out.
It
But
doesn't matter, actually, because on the plus side, my sister was going to pick me up. She has a 4-month-old baby. Because you guys think I'm or whatever the think that. I was going to watch my 4-month-old baby, or, sister's baby.
Or they deny?
They canceled.
No,
Okay, they're going to give you a refund.
I will sue
Okay,
if
man.
I have to.
That's fine, but I need you to listen to me, because the last thing I want to happen. Listen to me. The last thing I want to happen is for us to have to say, I need you to listen to me.
You can send me to jail or not, because I will turn around and say, my fat ass right here
Okay,
was
ma'am,
sitting
let's
there.
listen.
Listen, we don't want to do that. So they denied you boarding. At this point, we have to escort you to the non-secure
That's
side.
fine.
If you can show me that
That's
you can
fine.
walk straight and take care of yourself, you can
Grab your items.
Flight. Hey,
Ma'am, grab your items.
ma'am, go
I
ahead.
will literally recite every. I will speak Spanish to you,
That's fine,
Portuguese,
but I don't want to get you for
sign
disorderly
language.
either.
Hello,
Ma'am.
welcome.
Ma'am, I don't want to get you for disorderly either, because right now we're blocking the flow
Do you
of
want me?
business. You're going to have to carry your own stuff, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to have to carry your own
If
stuff.
you're
We can't
taking me
carry-
away, you take that.
Ma'am, you're going to have to
Why?
carry your
Would
own
you like to
stuff.
put this in your pocket? Because apparently you're escorting
Ma'am.
me and making
Ma'am,
me
look.
carry all
Ma'am,
my shit,
I'm gonna,
even though I am
I
fine.
asked you
I
to
will
pick up your stuff. Now
Yeah.
I'm telling you to pick up your stuff. If
Yeah.
you don't pick up your stuff and walk with us to the non-secure side, I'm going to have to take you into custody. It's the last thing I want to
Go
do.
for it.
Is that what you want?
Go for it.
For disorderly
I'm
conduct
really no good.
and public intoxication, because you're acting like you're showing signs of being intoxicated.
So I'm intoxicated, yet I'm having a physical and mental conversation. Give me anything.
Man, please pick up your stuff. I'm trying to help you out. Pick up your stuff. Let's walk into the non-secure.
Tell that mother
You can put
for me laying here
you can put
on
a
my
complaint.
fat ass.
You're cursing
Being
disorderly.
You loud?
You're being disorderly right now. I'm not going to tell you.
There you go.
I'm literally sitting here.
Ma'am, I'm not going to tell you. Pick up your stuff. Walk with us to the non-secure side. If not, you're going to go into custody, and I do not want to do that.
And you know what?
I understand that, but I'm trying to help you out. You can make care later.
No, I don't. I hate this country.
Ma'am,
Canadian, New Zealand, by birth.
are we leaving?
I don't know. Are we?
If you can get your stuff together.
Well, I mean, I've been able to get my stuff together for a while, but
Well, show me you can get
the
your
fact
stuff
that
together.
I'm intoxicated and
Well, at this point, it's disorderly.
no, well,
So-
that's just me being
Come on, man. Pick
shitty
up,
with
pick
you
up,
because you
pick up your items. We can walk and talk. Okay, well,
Okay, well, you got to pick up your bags. Keep walking.
I get it. Do you think I'm
Ma'am,
stop
we're not gonna tell you
treating me
again.
like I'm
an adult.
go and start walking.
treat me like an
Right.
no. Put it on my back.
Put your hands in the back.
They are arresting me.
It's a cut.
You get. You know what? I could break out.
Let us double lock your cuffs so they don't get tight.
I don't care if you get tight. It's not gonna hurt anyways because you work in an airport. No, that told me, and I will never fly again.
I don't care if you don't fly again or not.
Yeah,
We're just
and I
going
don't
downtown.
care either.
It's fine. Face this wall
I
right here.
did not do.
Relax.
No, let me out of the airport. I would rather
Do not. Stop resisting.
I would rather be out of the airport
Stop resisting.
than in here fighting. I'm stronger than you.
Relax.
Kick you in the balls. You
Stop resisting.
do not put me behind doors for no
Stop
reason.
resisting.
When all I wanted to do was go watch my 4-month-old.
Oh, 11. We're still 10-15. We're here. She's
They give me.
only 20. Good night.
Good night.
Don't bite me.
Then give me my phone to call my boyfriend. Then give me my phone to call.
Relax.
I have
Lay on your
rights.
side, relax.
Breathe.
Give me my phone. No.
Relax.
No, it's not. You were supposed to give me my rights forever ago. I'm not even an American and I know the rights.
Stop kicking.
Yeah, then why have I not had any rights?
You have rights.
I literally got Then why have you not given them to me?
I got it right.
Why are three of you actually?
We're gonna have to walk her down. She keeps hyper resistant. Go ahead and get this. We're gonna walk
You
her.
realize if you weren't a I would probably not resist.
Stop.
No.
I'm trying to help you out. Over here. Over here. Hey.
If you weren't trying to help me, you would be talking to me.
I'm gonna try it, okay?
Then how? If you're gonna try, why didn't you try from the very beginning? Where I was just.
Go over there.
Where is my phone call to my boyfriend? No. No.
I got it.
No. You want to call my boyfriend?
No.
So now you're treating me with respect, but you won't call my boyfriend.
All right, somebody go that side. Let me get my hand in it.
Do you really think that's what you want to do? Let go of me and let me in. You want to
There you go.
do not
Hey, how about restraint?
let go of me. Because this hurts and I've done nothing
Just from my
wrong.
office.
I don't care and you've hurt me this entire time. I
How about restraint?
Right behind you.
Let me know your name.
Stop kicking. Stop
You want to
kicking.
do that? You want to do that? For nothing. I've done nothing. Hey, breathe. Say your name. Breathe. And that's Yana. Go for it. Go for it. Yeah, you want this is really what you want to do, even though I'm not in trouble?
Well, here you are, huh?
Oh, because Americans are right? No matter what, Americans are right? Hey, you gonna call my person?
All right, you got it.
I have every right to have a phone number called.
Yeah, let's go.
Get it out of your pocket.
We're gonna take you inside.
Stop. I'm not going to do anything. Let me call my boyfriend.
We
No,
will. We're gonna
no,
take you
right
inside so
here.
you can call your boyfriend.
No, right here. I want to
She's
call.
already
No,
took her seatbelt off. Okay.
no,
Can
I
take
don't
these
have my
off for you?
seatbelt off. It's right here. You.
That's fine.
Stop.
You're hurt.
Both
Can
of
we
you.
help you?
Can you both shut up for one moment, please?
What do you need to say?
Stop. I literally practice radical honesty.
Okay.
And everything in my life. I do not lie. I do not do anything.
Okay.
I do not whatever. The only reason I'm fighting you is because I was not in the wrong.
Okay.
I literally just laid there. Someone said, "Hey, can you not lay there?" And I said, "Bro, I've literally laid here every single
trying
time
to
I come."
get you through this
yes,
as fast
but
as we
look,
can.
you treat me with
We are.
respect?
So can I get these off your feet so you can
Yes.
walk on your own? Okay.
Can you
so
please take this
sit
off
back.
or do
We
something?
will. Put your legs straight out.
I will not fight
Okay,
you.
don't
I
kick.
just want to call my boyfriend.
I got your
Okay.
phone. Once we get you out,
And
stand
my
around.
husband, because I literally have both. And I will tell you that later.
Which one was in the army? Husband or boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Okay,
The husband is New Zealand.
gotcha.
Because I lived in New Zealand for 12 years.
Okay.
But I have a husband
Come
and a
out.
boyfriend. And I literally
All right,
will
come
do.
out.
Literally.
You able to stand up good?
Yes.
Okay, I just don't want you falling.
Southwest Airlines, as a private business entity, retains full legal authority to cancel reservations and deny boarding. Passengers hold no constitutional right to board a commercial flight. The 14th Amendment applies only to state actors. Private carriers are entirely outside its scope. Disorderly conduct requires conduct that creates a public safety hazard or obstructs lawful activity. Lying in a high-traffic gate thoroughfare, blocking pedestrian movement, and refusing lawful officer directives meets this standard across virtually all U.S. jurisdictions, regardless of the subject's stated intention. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Profane speech directed at law enforcement is protected under the First Amendment. However, speech does not immunize accompanying physical conduct. Courts apply a totality of conduct analysis, not a speech in isolation analysis. Public intoxication does not require physical incapacitation. The applicable standard requires only that the subject be in a public place and present a danger to themselves or others. Odor of alcohol, self-admission of consumption, and disorganized behavior are collectively sufficient to establish probable cause. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. The reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. The 3 Graham factors, severity of the offense, active resistance, and immediate threat to officer safety all support the physical restraint applied here. Threatening to strike a peace officer and making biting contact during a lawful arrest constitutes aggravated assault on a peace officer. The elevated charge is triggered by the victim's status as an officer performing official duties and carries felony-level exposure in most U.S. jurisdictions regardless of whether injury resulted. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 4361966 requires advisement of rights before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of physical arrest. The obligation is triggered by questioning, not by restraint. Statements obtained without prior Miranda advisement may be subject to suppression, but the underlying arrest remains independently lawful. Resisting arrest is evaluated against the lawfulness of the underlying arrest, not the subject's personal disagreement with it. Where independent probable cause exists for multiple offenses, each charge separately supports a lawful custodial arrest. Prior non-enforcement by police confers no immunity from future enforcement. Estoppel does not apply to law enforcement discretion. Key legal lessons. First, disruptive conduct in a private facility can result in denial of service with no due process remedy. Second, physical resistance to a lawful arrest converts misdemeanor exposure into felony exposure. Third, asserting rights verbally does not suspend the legal consequences of unlawful conduct. Compliance with a lawful order followed by legal challenge is always the legally superior course of action.